Hey guys, my name is Dara. I cannot go to school because of lockdown. I still have a voice. My key worker, Mrs. Thomas, still listens to me.
Hey everyone, I might be stuck at home, but I have still got a voice to be heard. My teachers can listen to me, and my parents can listen to me. It is my right to be heard. Oh, whoa.
Good morning everybody, and welcome to Wednesday, and welcome to Wednesday's assembly. And as you remember from Monday, we are still looking at Article 12. On Monday, you heard lots of adult voices. Here at Oscott Manor, it's the child's voice that I was interested in for today's assembly. So a lot of you have given a lot of comments about getting your voice heard during lockdown in lots of lovely different ways. Now, I can't say your names, but I'm going to say your comments, and I want you to see if you can recognise your comments, okay? So a lot of you started with "my name is," okay, that's fantastic, which is what the adults have done. My name is, listen to my voice, okay? So here's one. So my name is, and I have a voice. I talk to my key worker and my teacher. And then this pupil sang "The Greatest Showman" to his key worker. And that was a lovely voice to hear. So thank you. I'm sure you know who you are. And another voice said, "I'm stuck at home, but I still have a voice." So that's good. There's pros and cons to this, aren't there? All this lockdown thing. Okay. And this person said to me, "I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I like to use Article 12 in steering group. You know the rights respecting schools? Ready, respectful, safe. I am looking forward to going back to school." So that was a nice one, wasn't it? Okay, here's an interesting one. I told my mum that I wanted to do the street exercise. A lady'd been running some light exercise class in the street. I decided that I would like to try something new. My mum listened to my voice, and now I'm taking part in an exciting new activity. And this pupil is going outside doing an exercise class 3 days a week at 11:30 in the morning. PE 3 times a week, ready-made. How fantastic is that? And he's enjoying every minute of it because his mum listened to his voice. That's a really good one. So these are now some comments that you made to your teachers and your TAs on the phone. It doesn't matter what my skin colour is, I still have a voice. I'm happy to be at home. My teacher and my mum are listening to me when I need help. I may not be at school, but I still have a voice. Here's another one. I've been working hard at home and I still have a voice. Here's one that I had by email. Okay. I'm staying at home in lockdown, but my voice is heard and my mum and dad listen to me. My mum and dad always support me and know when I need help. I'm happy to work at home, but I do miss school. School is closed, but I can do my homework on my laptop. Here's one I've had by email. Being in isolation hasn't affected my rights. I get to say my views on doing exercise or trying new foods. I've told my mum, don't try to force me into doing something like cooking, exercise or homework without asking me, please, because I don't like it. And here I've got a couple of comments by email. Even though I don't know when I will return to school, I still have a voice, so that's good. I've not had my hair cut for a while, but at least my mum still listens to me. Now this comment came by email. And so I shall read out the email to you. I'm still in lockdown and I'm not happy because I can't see my friends, but I can still talk to them on the phone. Luckily, I have a voice. Very good point. So that's great. We need to remember all the different forms of communication, don't we, when we're listening to people's voices, okay? Remember all of our Makaton that we're learning at school as well. Here's another one that came by email. I don't like being at home, but my teacher calls me every day to check how I am. Now, in all of this, I had a parent respond, which was lovely. So I would like you to listen to this parent's voice. Oscott Manor staff will always do anything they possibly can to listen to pupils' fears and find a way to help them through. And you take pupil welfare very seriously and listen to their voices. We thank you for that. Now, at the end of this video, attached to this video, is a survey, and it's powered by SurveyMonkey. You just need to click on it, answer some really easy questions, and it's a way for you to express your opinions, okay? And it will go to Oscott Manor School and we will have a look at your answers, okay? And if there is anything we need to act upon, we will. But it would be great to have your feedback about your pupil voice during lockdown. So thanks guys, stay safe, see you later, bye.